Kids' AI videos are blowing up the internet, and it's becoming a smart way for new creators to monetize.
Here's what you can create with AI.
The little elephant flapped his wings with glee.
He tried to puff up and shake, but nothing worked. One day, feeling sad and lonely,
When the diaphragm moves down, air is pulled into the lungs, causing them to expand. As it rises,
One day, the friends decided to race each other. Animals gathered to watch and cheer for them.
Want to create kids' storytelling videos? Let's see how. Want to create?
Go to Steve AI dashboard, paste your prompt, and hit generate. Set your video preference. I will use generative AI. Set a custom time. Choose from 100% human voices suitable for your narration. Test the voices and hit add. Then click generate script. Let the AI do its magic. Edit your script and visual description to your liking and then click generate video. Choose a template style for your AI video and wait. Create your own AI storytelling video with Steve AI. Link is in bio.